Hello guys, I'm Bay. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna talk about a concept regarding information security. The name of the concept is DMZ. DMZ. So what is DMZ? How does it work? And what is the purpose of DMZ? And we're gonna look at how data flow, behind the scene, how data move from the internet to your system. So let's go. DMZ stands for demilitarized zone. So DMZ is a network between our insecure area and then our protected area. When it comes to network security, we can roughly classify our network in two ways. So we have the insecure area. As you can see, the narrow insecure area is the internet. Any area that we do not control. However, we still need to access the resources which are out there on the internet. On the yellow side, we have the protected area. The protected area contains our resources. We have the database, the web server, and our nodes, the end device. So we know that out there, there are wicked-minded people, the hackers. Let's say that a malicious intender or an hacker has found a way, or this is an hacker. Let's say an hacker, he has found a way to pass the firewall. The firewall is our gate, is the gate. Let's say the hacker, he has found a way to pass that firewall. We will make the mistake. So that simply means that this man here, the hacker, has access to our sensitive data. So all these devices are vulnerable, becomes vulnerable to an attack. So this is where DMZ comes in. Demilitarized zone comes in. We say it's the network between the insecure area and then the protected area. So this is space. This space is called DMZ. So as you can see, we have made some change in the diagram. We have just moved all the server which was located in the system here. We have moved them after the firewall. We have just moved them before the firewall, and we have kept another firewall here. Now we are using two firewalls. We are using two layers of protection. One is internal firewall F2 as well as external firewall F1. So we have now two firewalls. One is external and another one is internal. In this case, F1 is our external firewall because it's come into contact with all the external traffic first, and then it goes to the server, the web, email, app server, and then to the system, to another firewall. So in this case, if any malicious activity happens, if an hacker tries to get access to your data, to your organization, F1 will detect it. So if F1 firewall, the first firewall is not able to detect it, fine. In this case, it will not go straight to the system of the company because of the internal firewall, which is F2. So this is how DMZ works. So let's see how data flow behind the scene. It starts from the internet, and then the internet move its route to the router, and after the router, the data goes to the first firewall, the external. It has to check the authenticity of the data, just to make sure it's well secure, and then it moves to the server. After the server, it goes again to the internal firewall, and after that, it goes to the switch. The switch there, you might have a different net system that might be routing to the LAN. You may have, it could be mobile device or anything, and it now distribute to the device in your network. So if you found this video interesting, welcome to the family, share it and subscribe to the channel.